All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video today, we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without revealing your identity. So many of us want to start YouTube channels, but we might not want to get on camera like this. Most of you, if you've been subscribed to this channel for a while, you know that my name's David and I run multiple YouTube channels, but you don't have to reveal your name or anything about yourself in order to create YouTube channels and actually make money from them. And that's what we're going to be looking at in today's video. So let's jump in. So one of the first channels that I'm going to bring up, I'm going to show you 5 channels in completely different niches online. We're going to look at them and we're going to see, do they reveal their names or do they reveal anything about themselves? And I found 5 of them that don't, and we're going to go and check them out. And so you can kind of gain motivation and gain insight into the different types of YouTube channels that you can create if that's something that you are looking at doing. They can be faceless YouTube channels. Basically, they're going to be faceless channels. Now, I would imagine you probably could jump on camera like I'm doing right now and come up with a pen name if you really wanted to. Or you could, for example, even on this channel, it's called Teach Me Money Methods. I don't really say my name too much on this channel. And so this actual channel that you're watching is somewhat of an example where you could still jump on like I am right now, be on camera and talk to your audience and be the face of your YouTube channel, but then not really make it about yourself. You don't have to reveal, you could come up with kind of a pen name or a fake name if you wanted to. And you don't have to reveal anything about your personal identity on your channel, even if you were on camera like I am right now. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it's the same thing. Think about movies. When you create movies and actors are on screen all the time, they always take on new names and so forth, right? So kind of think of it in similar terms like that. So you can actually get creative with it and be on camera if you wanted to. You don't have to be on camera and so forth. So this one is alux.com. And they have 4.4 million subscribers with their 2,400 videos. Now they've been doing this a while, but just imagine, right? If you could even just get a fraction of this, if you could get 100,000 subscribers with a couple hundred videos, what you could do with that, right? So right here, I have my vidIQ plugin. You can go and you can get vidIQ for free. I have the $10 a month plan, and I've been on several of their plans, but the $10 a month plan is the one I find myself on the most. I really can't live without that while doing YouTube. So it's a way that we can do good keyword research and so forth. But I like a lot of the different things that it allows us to do, which is they added this feature. This is brand new, and it will tell you if the channel is actually monetized. They have their algorithm and their ways to look up to see if the channel is actually monetized. And so we know that they are making money. We could go to Social Blade, but I can tell you right now, they're making hundreds of thousands per year. I don't even have to go to Social Blade to tell you that. But when we come over here and we go to the About section right here, and you can see alux.com is the largest community of luxury and fine living enthusiasts in the world. Alux, a worldwide recognized authority when it comes to ranking the most expensive things in the world and frequently referenced in publications such as Forbes, USA Today. So they've blown up. They've become an authority on this. But really, is there anybody's name right here? Not one person's name, not the founder's name, nothing. They are completely off the grid, faceless, based out of the United States over here. Looks like you can click on here, view email address, and you can get, let's see right over here. You can get their advertise at alux.com. So this is if you want to place an advertisement, right? They're probably not interested in doing any business because the chances are they're making more money than your actual business if you're reaching out to them. So it's usually people trying to advertise on their channel with specific promotions or so forth. So this is one of them, right? We can go over and we can look at their videos, and you can go and check out and watch some of their videos.
Many people ask themselves what they should do to improve their mindset and reach a point where they can be
productive.
productive.
Look, this right here is really easy to get. Most of this is just like from Storyblocks. It's going to be
and what is improvement without the key thing that actually leads to better self
royalty-free B-roll that they're getting from places like Storyblocks and so forth, where they have full rights to use this. It's going to be it's kind of generic in nature, right? And they are killing it. They've just completely crushed it with doing just a classic voiceover. I recommend a high quality voiceover. Get a good microphone. Right now I'm using, this is a Beacon microphone. This is almost a $300 microphone, USB microphone, really, really awesome. But you could get a nice microphone. I would recommend spending no less than $100. Once you get into that $100 range, you're going to be able to get some good audio quality out of your microphone. And then you're basically going to, you can use ChatGPT, you can write scripts from there. There's all kinds of different things. Stay tuned to the channel because I'm going to be showing you how to do all this. But we can take videos like this and create similar without copying, which is really, really cool. And you can follow different blueprints based on the niche that you're in, right? And so, I mean, look at them. They've blown up. They have merch that they sell. They probably have programs. This channel is very successful, right? So let's go jump into the next one. And right, just keep in mind that what we're talking about is how to make money on YouTube without revealing your identity, right? So they haven't revealed their identity. They've got millions of subscribers. They've got merch right here. No place anywhere do you see a name, a first name or last name of anybody. So we don't even know who runs Alux really. And they are crushing it, right? So that's my first example. Let's move to the next. Here's one that is called animaltube.tv. And they have 80 videos up, 750,000 subscribers, and they basically focus on top 5, top 10 animal type videos, right? You can see they've kind of fallen off. I'm actually logged into one of my other YouTube channels, believe it or not, that only has less than 10,000 subscribers, and I'm getting more than half of the views that they're getting. So at one point they did fall off. I'm not really sure how. I mean, looks like they've had 16 million views in their lifetime. They're getting close to 100,000 views. So you can still make a full-time living with 100,000 views. And this channel is definitely making money. I would say this channel from just YouTube ad revenue is probably making $1,000 to $2,000 a month in ad revenue. And that's not counting, you know, how much they would be making from any kind of things that they put in their videos. You come through here and look, and they've got some different footage right over here. And it's just a voiceover. Here's another one.
A lot of misconceptions.
So see what's happening is that they're putting a voiceover, pre-recorded voiceover. They're showing some movie footage. They're showing some royalty-free B-roll. Again, they're getting from Storyblocks and other places. This channel is monetized right here. And we're going to go and look at the YouTube description over here and just see like do you see anybody's name? I don't see anybody's name at all. So this is again, this is what you would call a faceless YouTube channel that is just doing the classic writing a script, getting their B-roll and their footage from royalty-free places like Storyblocks, and then they're putting a nice voiceover, and they put all that together. And this is what you get. You get hundreds of thousands of subscribers. There's different ways that we can do to launch our channel to kind of guarantee that it's going to have some success, which would be to get a little bit of advertising for each of your videos to kind of give it that boost. So I can show you how to do that in different videos, but we'll keep moving on. So this one's in the animal top 5, top 10 type niche. We're going to come in here. Here's one in the sports, right? Right here, I just found this one, House of Highlights. They have over 10 million subscribers. I think this is the biggest channel we're looking at today. They're definitely monetized. They have 36,000 videos. And in order to pull that off, they definitely have a massive team doing this, putting this together. Looks like they're getting 435 million views per month. So they have had 12.5 billion views on their channel. This is just crazy. I actually do want to check this one out. So I'm going to copy this URL. We're going to come over here and we're going to go social. We're going to go to a social blade and we're going to paste this in. And it's showing that their monthly estimated earnings is $1.8 million. And so since this is in the sports niche, I'm not really sure what the CPM on this is, but they're definitely earning anywhere from the middle range right here. So anywhere from about probably $600,000 to up to $2 million or more per month, which is just insane. And then when we come through here, I'm going to go and look at the about section over here. And they just have a couple of videos right there, literally, like, right? So they're not revealing their face, they're not revealing their name or anything like that, and they're making bank, right? So we're gonna come through here, look at another one. So this one is how to draw like a sir. Now this one, I do believe at the beginning of his video, he's not on camera at all. He does say like, hey, this is, you know, Alex or whatever his name is. But again, that can be just a pen name or a nickname, right? That doesn't even have to be your name. We can go over here and I check this out. I mean, they're getting almost 2 million views per month just teaching people how to draw. They've only had 57 videos. This is an example of killing it. When you don't even have 100 videos and you've got almost 1 million subscribers, that's pretty nuts in a pretty specific niche, right? Because this is not going to appeal to everybody. This is only going to appeal to people that are into art, into drawing and so forth. I'm going to go over here, check out about right over here. And we can also see that learn how to draw like a sir. Looks like, yep, doesn't look like they have their name or anything like that. So really, really cool stuff. Let's go into our final one for the day. This is Top Think. They have 2.6 million subscribers and they're getting 2.45 million views per month. They've had 184 million total views in the lifetime. And you can go and look at their videos and just push play on one of them. We'll kind of click on
Hey
this
everyone,
one.
and iron self-discipline. Now let's begin. What does it take to build iron self-discipline? Now let's begin. What does it take?
So this jumps right in. We don't know anything about their name. We don't know anything about the company, and they're crushing it on YouTube. So again, to reiterate, you don't have to even reveal your name or your business or anything like that. And you can get subscribers, you can get monetized right here and make a lot of money. We could go and put this into Social Blade and you'll be able to see that they'll be making a lot of money as well. So that's it. Just wanted to kind of answer this kind of question right here, how to make money on YouTube without revealing your identity. Hopefully that this was informative. And again, you can jump on YouTube. You don't have to reveal your name, your business, anything. You don't have to get on camera, and you can build these YouTube channels very easily. And you can learn how to do all of this yourself. As you saw, a lot of those channels, it's not any fancy video editing or anything like that. It's going to come down to how you do your keyword research, how you come up with the titles and the ideas for your videos, and then how you release that out onto YouTube. Again, there's different ways you can get traction and almost guarantee that you're going to get views on your videos. And I'll be going over that in some future videos. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.